Good morning, good morning, good morning. A brand new sunny, shining morning here in Smithville, Clarendon, Jamaica. Yeah, and I'm just in the shop of ours, just doing this little short little clip. Okay, and here is the step outside, looking right up in the square of Smithville town. I'm just doing a video of this wall that I do yesterday evening, just a little before the night down. I started it and I finished about 7 last night. Yep. So I'm here. I just want to say a big thank you to all of my friends and to Miss Ruby, who gave me 3 bags of cement and a yard of sand. Well, these blocks was at the house when we bought it. Yeah. But I needed some more blocks to fix this step come out to here, because the step that they put there wasn't in the ground. They just do the foundation. As you can see, the erosion right under there. So I dig it out and I put steel and cement in, put the steel to stand up to do here. Ah, I don't know if anyone cares to help me with a little donation for getting some more materials for this area, because I got a donation to purchase some things. It is not much, but I will start the business as soon as possible. And I am asking anyone who would kind to give me a donation. I would really appreciate it, so that I can get the step fixed once and for all, because as you know, when they was doing it, they just chopped the dirt and back some of it up with board and just a few blocks up there. But as you can see, the state that is in, we need a little touch up. Yeah. So I'm going by Mapen to do something. Yeah. And me and Miss Ruby going by Mapen. She had something to do, so I'm accompanying her to go there. I have these 6 blocks leave that I can just do a little here, but it needed about 50 more to get it up and to block off here and to fix it all the way there. So if anyone cares, my number would be 1-876-419-2568, and my Lime number 1-876-312-6210. Yeah. And my name is Marlon Peck, Smithville, PO, Clarendon. Yeah. Thank you, and I will make a next video in the afternoon when I come back from Macon. Thank you. It's a blessing. And please do remember to share, like, and to subscribe. Okay? And please remember, go over to Miss Bev channel. That's Miss Bev Production. That is her channel name. To touch base with her, share, like, and subscribe as well. Thank you. Miss Carla Rice. Big up. AG. Big up. Karen. Karen Buckner. Big up. Yeah? And to all of my friends, big up. Yeah, man. King Nick. Don't forget yourself. Big up. Peace. I'm out. Thank you. Gully in the building.